Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever struggled to find that perfect balance between looking chic and feeling comfortable? Well, you're not alone. Many of us desire a wardrobe that reflects our style without the hassle. Today, I'm here to share some incredible tips that will not only simplify your wardrobe choices, but also elevate your everyday look effortlessly. Imagine stepping out of your home feeling confident and stylish, knowing that every piece you wear is a reflection of your unique taste. That's exactly what we're going to achieve together. We'll explore timeless, versatile essentials that make getting dressed a breeze. So, are you ready to transform your style game and embrace a simpler, yet more elegant approach to fashion? Let's dive in. And hey, I want to hear from you too. What challenges do you face when it comes to your style? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I can't wait to read them and connect with you. Now, let's talk about why embracing a simple style is so important. In today's fast paced world, we often find ourselves overwhelmed with choices, and getting dressed can become a stressful task. But here's the good news: simplicity in fashion can actually enhance your daily life. When you opt for timeless, versatile pieces, you not only save time in the morning, but also reduce decision fatigue. Imagine opening your closet and effortlessly putting together outfits that make you feel confident and put together in no time. Plus, a simple style allows your personality to shine through without the distraction of overly complicated outfits. Another fantastic benefit is that a minimalist wardrobe encourages sustainability. By investing in quality classic pieces, you're making choices that are better for both your wallet and the planet. You'll find that less truly is more when it comes to looking chic and elegant. So, as we continue this journey together, keep in mind the incredible advantages of a simple yet stylish approach. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What does simple style mean to you? Share your ideas in the comments below. Let's kick things off with our first essential item: the Candy Floss sweater. This piece is an absolute must have for your fall and winter wardrobe. Picture this: a cozy, soft sweater that not only keeps you warm but also radiates effortless chicness. It's perfect for those days when you want to look put together without compromising on comfort. The beauty of the Candy Floss sweater lies in its versatility. You can easily dress it up or down. For a casual look, pair it with your favorite jeans and some classic loafers. Want to elevate it? Simply tuck it into a satin skirt and add a pair of knee-high boots. Trust me, this combination will turn heads. When choosing your Candy Floss sweater, look for high-quality materials like wool or cashmere. These fabrics not only feel luxurious against your skin, but also elevate the overall look. So, whether you're heading to brunch or a cozy night in, this sweater will have you covered. What about you? Do you already have a Candy Floss sweater in your wardrobe? Share your styling tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you wear this fabulous piece. Next up on our list is the fabulous tweed cardigan. This piece is not just an ordinary cardigan, it's a stylish staple that adds texture and refinement to any outfit. The structured, slightly vintage appeal of tweed gives your look that instant sophistication we all crave, especially during the cooler months. What I love about the tweed cardigan is its versatility. It's perfect for layering. Whether you're dressing it up for a work meeting or keeping it casual for a weekend outing, opt for classic colors like cream, gray, or navy to ensure it pairs well with everything in your wardrobe. When styled correctly, it can take your outfit from basic to chic in seconds. For a casual yet polished look, pair your tweed cardigan with straight leg jeans and a fitted skirt in a complementary tone. This combo creates a balanced silhouette that feels effortlessly put together. Don't forget to finish off the look with a structured bag in a rich color, like burgundy or brown, to add that extra touch of elegance. So, do you have a tweed cardigan in your closet? How do you style it? Let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear your ideas. Now, let's shine a spotlight on one of the most versatile pieces in your wardrobe: white pants. These aren't just for summer. They can absolutely rock the fall and winter seasons too. White pants bring a fresh, sophisticated vibe that can brighten up any outfit, making you stand out in the best way possible. What's amazing about white pants is their ability to pair beautifully with a range of colors. This season, consider opting for straight leg or slightly wide legged styles that are not only trendy but also incredibly comfortable. Look for high quality fabrics like wool blends or structured cotton to ensure you stay warm while looking fabulous. For an effortlessly chic look, style your white pants with a beige sweater tucked in and add a slim dark brown belt at the waist. Finish the outfit with black loafers and a matching handbag for a refined appearance that's perfect for any occasion. So, do you see white pants as a staple in your wardrobe? How do you like to style them? Drop your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. I'm excited to hear how you make them work for you. Next, let's talk about another timeless favorite, the turtleneck striped sweater. This piece is a wardrobe essential that effortlessly adds personality and charm to any outfit. The classic stripes introduce a visual interest without overpowering your look, making it ideal for those who prefer a minimalist style with just a touch of detail. This season, you'll want to look for turtleneck striped sweaters in neutral tones like black, beige, or navy. These colors pair seamlessly with various bottoms, allowing you to create stylish outfits with ease. For a laid-back vibe, try wearing your striped sweater with straight-leg jeans and loafers. It's the perfect combination for a casual day out. If you're aiming for something a bit dressier, consider pairing the striped sweater with a satin skirt and knee-high boots. This combination keeps the outfit cohesive, while allowing the sweater to stand out as the focal point. So, do you already have a turtleneck striped sweater in your collection? How do you like to style yours? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I can't wait to hear how you incorporate this classic piece into your wardrobe. Now, let's move on to a crucial accessory that can elevate any outfit: the structured leather bag. This isn't just any bag, it's an essential piece that adds a touch of sophistication and polish to your overall look. With structured designs, these bags bring a sense of elegance that can complement both casual and formal attire seamlessly. This season, look for structured leather bags in rich, warm tones like burgundy, brown, or taupe. These classic colors not only enhance your style, but also pair beautifully with neutral and earthy tones, making them incredibly versatile. Opt for high-quality leather with clean lines and minimal embellishments to ensure that your bag adds texture without overwhelming your outfit. Imagine carrying a structured leather bag with your favorite sweater and jeans, or pairing it with a chic dress for a night out. It's the perfect focal point that ties your entire look together. So, do you have a structured leather bag in your collection? How do you style it? I'd love to hear your stories and tips in the comments below. Let's inspire each other with our favorite bag styles. Finally, let's wrap up our list with a classic accessory that never goes out of style: gold hoop earrings. These timeless pieces add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any outfit, making them a must-have in your jewelry collection. The simple circular design complements both casual and formal looks effortlessly. This season, consider opting for medium to large-sized hoops in gold. The warm tones of gold not only brighten your face, but also enhance your overall look with a subtle, polished glow. Whether you're wearing a cozy sweater or a structured blazer, gold hoops can elevate your style without being over the top. What's great about gold hoop earrings is their versatility. You can wear them to the office, on a date night, or even just running errands, and they'll always add that chic factor. Plus, they're perfect for layering with other earrings if you have multiple piercings. So, do you love wearing gold hoops? How do you style them with your outfits? Share your thoughts and favorite ways to wear them in the comments below. I can't wait to hear your creative ideas. I absolutely love hearing from all of you. Your thoughts and experiences are what make this community so special. So I want to take a moment to encourage you to share your ideas in the comments. What do you think about the items we've discussed today? Do you have a favorite piece that you can't live without? Let's start a conversation. Tell me about your go-to outfits or any styling tips you might have for the candy floss sweater, tweed cardigan, or any of the other essentials we've covered. Your insights could inspire someone else in our community. I genuinely believe that we can learn so much from each other. So don't hold back. Whether you've mastered the art of layering or found unique ways to style your accessories, I want to hear it all. And remember, this is a safe space for sharing and connecting. So feel free to express yourself. I'm looking forward to reading your comments and engaging with each of you. Let's keep the conversation going. And who knows? Your idea might just spark the next great fashion tip for someone else watching. As we wrap up today's video, I want to take a moment to thank you all for joining me on this style journey. I truly hope that these tips and essential pieces inspire you to curate a wardrobe that feels both simple and chic. Remember, fashion doesn't have to be complicated to make a statement. Embracing a timeless style can bring out the best in you. I encourage you to experiment with these items and find your unique way of wearing them. Every outfit is an opportunity to express who you are, so have fun with it. And don't forget, simplicity can be incredibly elegant. Before you go, I'd love to hear your thoughts on today's discussion. Which item are you most excited to try? And what styling tips do you have to share? Drop your comments below. I can't wait to read them. Thank you again for being here, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. I'm thrilled to continue this fashion adventure with all of you. Until next time, stay chic, stay confident, and enjoy curating your simple yet sophisticated style.